This 2018 Heartland Mallard M185 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, DVD player, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Mallard M185 is 3,575 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.